What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have the Nest Thermostat E. Now this is the affordable line from Nest Thermostats. I believe this retails for about $170 right now compared to the third generation, which you can get for about $250. So let's take a quick look at the package and see what we have here. On the front of the package we have the Nest Thermostat itself, and on the side here of the box, we have a quick paragraph basically stating that this works with most 24 voltage heating and cooling system, but such systems require the Nest learning stats. So make sure this system is compatible with your heating and cooling system at home. If you have any questions regarding that, they do have a link here, nest.com/work. So visit that before you buy a Nest thermostat. On the back basically just gives you a picture of the phone, and in this case is showing the iPhone, which is compatible. The Nest thermostat is compatible with iPhone and Android both. Let's get this unboxed and see what we have. Right off the back, we're presented with the Nest thermostat. Now I do have the third generation. I do have that thermostat upstairs, and I did buy this one for downstairs, so I'm gonna see if they play nice. So it feels good in hand. You have this white frosted display in front. The outer edge of the thermostat, I believe, and feels, and I believe it is plastic compared to the third generation. You have a stainless steel metal band around the third generation thermostat. This, you do have a plastic band around the back. Around the edge, I mean. Around in the back, we just have the micro USB to update the thermostat if needed to, and your plug-in port to the actual housing of the thermostat. Let's see what else is inside the box. You have some literature here, your installation guide. Make sure you read this. It's very important, because if you do not install the wires where they go, the thermostat might not work. So just read this very carefully, and it should be easily able to install your Nest thermostat with replacing your previous thermostat here. This is the installation component needed here. So you have your yellow, green, red, white, common, and OB wires here. So all these are color coordinated. So they do offer you some stickers here. So when you are ready to unplug your old thermostat or unwire your old thermostat, you can tag the wires where they were connected to, so you don't forget. It makes it easy for installation. So when you go to install this bracket, all your wires are currently marked where they go in here. Now in order to install a wire here, you just click back on these, you're into the wire, and you're done. Very simple, very good. So for those who have an ugly big thermostat, they do offer you this plate. So this plate will, what it does is you put this on the wall. So if you had a big thermostat and you have like unpainted drywall on the back, or it's just have a bunch of ugly holes, this plate will mitigate that by covering it. So what you do is you put this plate on first, you put the two screws on there, and then the thermostat goes right above. So there you have it, guys. This is the Nest Thermostat E. Leave any comments or any questions below in the comments. I will answer it to the best of my ability. Like and share if you haven't, and like always, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.